most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
What a cool feeling. Got the old Polaris 1988 Trail Boss. I got some new treads on the front. So the original tires on the back, they're pretty much good still. So I'm gonna rock them. I got a giant set. It's real wide, so I'm gonna test these a little bit narrower high tread ones versus the wide ones. Just want to see how they do, but definitely needed fronts. I like the stance. I like how it rips. Cuts right through the snow. It's like the perfect setup now. Obviously, needs some TLC. Needs gone through, but I did get her running. Spent a little time. Didn't take much really. This thing is awesome. Just need to pull the rack off, strip it down, paint it, grease all the fittings, paint the rims, paint all the exposed steel. Really kind of tear this thing apart. I do have the plastics that need to be put back on. The lights, I ran it without a battery. It's fried the brake light and the headlight. So if you ever have one of these and it has a battery, if you didn't know, you probably do, but if you didn't, you run them without a battery, the light smokes out real quick. So let's just go ahead and fire it up. Should just start right up here. Just turn the key on and pull. Choke on. Brakes work. Awesome. Definitely wasn't GoPro footage, but it shows you this thing is a runner. God, I love this thing. Should get another one. I could trade my snowmobile. I got it undercover right there. I've got a 1989. I think it's a Phantom or a Phaser 440. It's an Arctic Cat. Supposedly it makes like 65 horsepower when I looked it up. So I always wanted to keep it because it's like a liquid cooled two-stroke, you know. I just love my two-strokes. I got tons of them. You probably got 10 different two-stroke implements. So yeah, I just really enjoyed this particular. I can get an 89. This is an 88. Supposedly that's missing the carb, but it has 150 psi cylinder pressure. So I might try to trade the guy for that snowmobile. We'll see how it goes down. Did want to keep that, but I don't really have room with my camper and all my shit anyway, so might just trade it off and just have two matching quads, because these things are amazing in the snow anyway. They're just two-wheel drive. Let's get the old McPherson struts. But yeah, you throw some weight back here and get a hitch built in. It's kind of sweet. Thing just goes, man. I mean, it's not the fastest thing in the world. I think the fastest I ever had it going was like 40, but pretty sure it could have went faster. It's just super sketch on something this old. So anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, I'll see you next time.